Hi my friends, Sam Villa here, Global Artistic Ambassador for Redken, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about Redken Brews. That's right, Redken has launched Redken Brews and we're so excited about it in terms of how we're working with it. Now there's all kinds of pomades that we have. Today I want to talk about a particular pomade called Maneuver. It's a cream pomade. And what do I mean by cream? Let me help you out by first, let's establish these by color. Watch when I open it up, you'll see the product itself is white. When I think of white, I think of very soft, very smooth. So the finish you're gonna get is a smooth finish with our Maneuver cream pomade. Now you're probably wondering, Sam, when do I use a cream pomade? Guys, I gotta tell you, here's the best way to remember that. Let's think of fine hair to coarse hair. If your hair is medium type of texture, that's when you wanna pick up Maneuver cream pomade. Now links. The best type of links that it works for is medium to short hair. It's great for that type of hair fabric where you want to control a type of dryness. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope the hot tips help you out. Remember, it's all about pomades, but which pomade do you use? Today we talked about Maneuver cream pomade.